Morning, everybody. We're back. Sorry, it's been a few. We have been super busy. Just ain't had a whole lot of time to put in the video, so our apologies. We are back. We're getting ready to start pumping them back out again. So we just wanted to catch you up to speed. We've been doing a boatload of hardwood floor. So 3/4 inch planks takes forever to cross a room, as you can see. Of course, we got Def Leppard playing this morning, get us going. So far this has turned out just really gorgeous. We've got all this finished up. Let me get you flipped around. There we go. Check this view. I mean, it don't get no better than this. So lunchtime, you know, of course, we're sitting out here getting to watch everything. It's a spectacular view. But needless to say, we have been putting in a lot of time. This was 92 feet, clear to the end, straight as an arrow, laser fed the whole way. So we're actually getting to the point of where we're wrapping this up. We've got in here still yet to do. The guys are in here working on the kitchen. I'm finishing the perimeter wall. We're gonna get all the baseboard back on. Morning, fellas.
Morning.
Bam. So we got the rest of the kitchen there to do. We've already skirted around here. We're trying to get all this wrapped up. Then I think we're gonna be switching over. We're gonna be tiling all the way to the door. We're gonna be tiling in there. Water heater room. We got a small little bathroom right here. We're gonna be tiling. This will actually get the hardwood as soon as we get to it. Another cool entryway we're gonna be tiling. And then of course the master is really kind of laid out. Really cool, but nevertheless, when you tile all this, all the octagon, all the shapes, the dives, I mean, as you can see, there's a lot going on. So we just wanted to catch you up, kind of share with you what's been going on last week. We, again, apologize. We just have not had a lot of time to do videos. We got to come on with this one. We're getting ready to walk right into a new build. We're going to be doing the flooring throughout. We're going to be doing a custom shower. We're actually going to do the baseboard, trim out the windows, the doors, the whole nine. So plenty coming up, how-tos, the whole nine. And I did not forget about you all and the shower doors. We will be putting them out. We're already done with them, just waiting on getting some last minute things together here for you guys. So as usual, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for checking out our stuff. And we'll see you back here real soon with the next one. All right, so it's coming together. Here we are. Let me show you what's going on. We're halfway done in this room right here. Look at Tom back here. Tom, you having fun?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you are. Micah. Hey, what's up, buddy?
Oh, what's up?
So we just want to show you where we were. Get you flipped. Look, can't stress that enough. That view is killer. A little too chilly day for us to be out there. But remember, I was showing you everything yesterday. We are down to one of the last two rooms that we have left to go. Everything turned out. All our transitions and ties. So what we ended up doing over here, check that out. That's hickory going across there. Just beautiful. Really cases that, caps that right off. That's going to be tiled. I don't know if you can see it. We got some stuff right around there. We went ahead and wrapped this hearth. Really pretty how we skirted that and tied it all in. Same thickness, just different different width of planks. But like I said, everything that we had already showed you all, the bed's going in the bedroom. They've just been sleeping out here for a while. Everything is done in here all the way down, and then remember that long view. So all this stuff was still choppy. We've done since then, fixed all that, made all those pretty transitions. This was one of the two rooms we had left. We're almost done. We only got that room to go as far as the hardwood goes. And then we've already tied this and made this transition with this pretty hickory. This is all going to be tiled. Same with the bathroom. Same in here. This carpet will come out, but right now, Boom. So everything just hit, tied together. Beautiful finish. Beautiful view. So we just wanted to share where we was at with you. We are actually getting ready to, we're putting this video out. We'll show you this finished video tomorrow. Right in behind this one, we're going to go right back to Teresa and Glenn now that all that's wrapped up, and we're going to get that on the air for you so you don't miss out on the shower door installation. We went through quite a little bit of trouble to get all that on video to help you all pop those shower doors because they are tricky, no doubt. A lot of things to know about those shower doors. It's not just as simple as putting them in a hole. So until the next one, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. We'll see y'all back here real soon. Check that view out.